All right, CSS Battle for June 6th. Let's see, timer's already started. All right. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Whoops. Style. So, what? Oh, my immediate thought is I could create a box, a rectangle, that covers this entire area, and then the balls could have a radial gradient, but then cover up the rest of this. I don't know what to do with the rest of the red portion though, but I'm going to start doing something. So, selecting HTML, I'm going to say background. I'm going to make it just a blue color. And then I'm going to select my body using a star selector and say background again. And it's going to be, what's it going to be? It's going to be a linear, nope, nope. It's going to be the red color. And then I'm going to margin it in. What is that, like 40, 80? More on this 50, 54, 5, and then 100. Oops, not 1000. It's going to be like 104, 106, 105, maybe 105. All right. And then I'm going to add a paragraph element, which means I have to have a paragraph element. I'm going to end up with 2 of them probably, although I don't love that, but I think I'm going to. All right. The paragraph element is going to have a padding of, I don't know, 50, which is going to mess with my body, of course. So it's probably easier for me to just do a position fixed here. And then the background on my paragraph is going to be this color. This should be fixed. Margin 0. Why don't I see this? 950 background margin is 0. It should be on top of the background. Let's make it red. That doesn't help. What am I doing? Dumb. Something clearly. No, you have to actually use the word background. That makes it easier. All right. So it doesn't technically matter which one I do, but it feels like it's going to be easier if I do the center one. So margin, so 40, and it's too big, but that's okay. This padding is going to be 40, and then margin is going to be 50. And then padding is going to be 45. All right, so that's that one. Now the background's wrong, but that's okay. The problem is going to be, maybe it's not a problem. Let's see. What I'm worried about is the center of the paragraph is going to be a ball, but can these ones also be the center? And I don't know the answer to that. So I'm going to go ahead and say this is going to be a radial gradient, oops, from this white color to that red color. Let's just get it working first. So that's what it's going to be. It's already, I think, a circle because the padding's even. So we need a pixel value, which is going to be, I don't know, 30 pixels. Whoops, actually type pixels. And then this can just be 0. And then we can diff that. 30 is not right. Too big or too small, though. It's too big. 28, 26, 25. That's probably correct. All right, now, oh, I can't use box shadow, can I? Because I can't apply a radial gradient to a box shadow? I don't think I can. That kind of ruins my plan. Yep, that definitely ruins my plan. Let's just make sure. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. All right, new plan. What is my new plan? All right, I'm going to have not a paragraph. So I can do a box shadow, but then I still have to have multiple elements do that. And I'm not really solving this problem anyway. But that's maybe okay. Maybe let's widen this. Let's make it margin 0. Put my paragraph back. And then this margin needs to be 51, 50. One, I don't know, some weird distance. 50, 4, 5, 6, 5. And then let's get rid of my fancy background and just make it blue. Okay, that's okay. That. And then I can box shadow. Okay. What is that going to be? 45 pixels, 45 pixels, 0. That's clearly not right, but that's okay. $180. And the 90 is not correct, but it's something. And I'm just going to make this color blue. All right, so this is X 70 and 70. There's that. And then I can do minus 70, 70. And then I can do 70 minus 70. And I need to get rid of the semi and put a comma. And then 70 minus 70. All right. So that starts to set up my pattern there. I'm going to have to still solve this, which is okay. We can do that. But the other thing that I need is I need another paragraph that is going to have a border radius 50%, background is white color. Margin 0. I'm going to turn off the box shadow temporarily. And why don't I see this? Background margin. Oh, well, it has a padding. It's not there. Padding 30 pixels. Something is wrong. Oh, my selector's wrong. I have to star select that. Still not working. No, I don't star select it. I plus select it. Okay. All right. So margin 20, 20, oh, 20. Wow, I'm on the struggle bus today. Margin, let's try 70. And then 170. That's getting close. It's the wrong size. 25. I figured that earlier. You'd think I would have remembered. 60. 175 probably. And then let's put the box shadow back. Color red. Okay, that works. Okay, now I just have to clean up this section and this section, which I'm going to need one more paragraph to do. Can I do this before? No, because the box shadow, I'm going to have to repeat the box shadow if I do it before. So, plus paragraph, open curlies, border radius 0. Why is that applying to everything? Oh, it's not. That's fine. Background blue. Then margin 0. Margin, what is that? Background's blue. What are I'm going to turn off box shadow again. None. Just to not confuse myself more than necessary. Adding 45 pixels. No, I don't need pixels. 40 pixels. No, 45. Margin's going to be minus 10. 15. What number is this? 18. It must be 20. And then padding is going to be a little wider than tall, so 50. 5. And then I'm going to turn the box shadow. I'm going to change the box shadow. So the box shadow is going to be 200 pixels 0, 3, 10, One of these not going to hurt anything. It's going to have a color again of this blue. And then I need one more box shadow, well, two more box shadows that are going to be down. So it's going to be 0, 50, 40, and then another one that is 140, 320. Why did that one not work? Oh, because I'm stupid. 20, 140. There. Okay. Not happy with this, but it is what it is today. I've already taken 15 minutes, so not my best solution ever, but we're going to go with it today. I'm going to do some cleanup. I'm going to change my background to a variable. I'm going to say var minus minus b and close that parentheses. Now, anywhere I need background, I can just use minus minus b. I can do the same for border radius, but doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I only use it twice, so it's going to be a wash. Margin is 3 characters. I use it 1, 2, 3 times, so that's only going to save me 9. It's not going to matter. Padding, I use 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Technically, it's going to save me some characters. So I'll say var minus minus p, comma, get rid of the space, and do that. Padding, padding. Box shadow I use twice. Shadow is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters, so it's not going to save me anything. Just going to start cleaning up some spaces that are unnecessary. That one, and that one, and that one. Shadow doesn't like that. Okay. That one's not necessarily. That one's not necessary. That one is not. Yeah, that's going to probably be good for today. So I'm just going to minify. Oops. And same thing. Yeah, not great, but done. That's it.